Well, it's on now. And make sure to cut away from yourself, sweetie.
Is that? That's where I should cut it.
I think. Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Only issue is we might need someone to hold that up.
Okay.
Because that might fall.
Dual fisting. What?
That jerked a little bit.
Just a little. Did you get through?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
The blade's bending a little bit.
Just a little.
It's so close. I might have to start from the other side though, because it's not wanting to straighten up in there.
Oh no, don't me. Watch your head. Let's switch hands.
So close. It's almost all connected. There's like
oh my gosh.
one little point. Gosh, that's scary.
You want to just try and break it off? Dun, 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 dun.
Let it lower it down again.
Big man, big man. Don't hit me with that.
Don't hit what?
But don't hit me with that. Big man, big man. Hello?
Hello.
Let's give it a good yank. Oh, that'll do it. And with that, the end of an era, or an error in our case. Because that thing is just, who does this? Hurrah!
No exhaust.
No exhaust. Yeah! Who needs it?
Dang, that's great.
Who wants it? Dirt. Car. There's an engine somewhere.
Now what are you doing to this?
This is gonna go right about here.
I'll move it to the right a little bit. There we go. And move it left a little. Yes, perfect.
It's beautiful.
Honestly, art. Artistry in chrome.
And look at the welds.
Oh my gosh.
That's actually beautiful.
It's honestly an art form. It's an underappreciated art form. Look at that.
I'm excited.
So beautiful. Just getting footage at this point.
That's what we need.
All right, let's go.
Trying to figure out where this goes.
I'm guessing it goes on the car somewhere.
No shit.
That's just my expert opinion. What is? Let me see.
Is that where it goes? That looks exactly like the top half of an exhaust hanger. I mean, I can always just look it up.
It does indeed look like the top half of an exhaust hanger. Oh, I think we found it. Where's one of the exhaust? Oh, there one is. Oh, that's attached. All right, so here's an exhaust hanger, and then there's where we think is another possible exhaust hanger.
So all we just did was I threaded these while he was holding it in the back. The exhaust gasket is in there. We have to straighten it out a little bit, and then tighten that down. And what he did is he just held it in place. And back here, once it was loosely tightened in, he just pushed it right into the exhaust hanger.
tighten it in and straighten it out.
I'll do it the right way.
We were indeed correct. That is exactly where it goes. Le pipe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bring it forward.
Is this even the right side?
I don't know why you're asking me. I'm gonna say yes.
Yeah,
I'm
it
gonna
is the
say
right
yes.
side.
Yep.
That's more for me, right?
Yeah, I think you could go left a little bit. That looks good. It looks really, really good. Boom, boom. Oh my God, it's so hot. Ugh. Service with a smile.
So, PSA, do not wear open-toed shoes when doing exhaust systems. I'm an idiot from Florida. Now let's go hear how it sounds.
Yep. This is your PSA from Colin Creedon.